Hi, we're Joanna and James. Welcome to our channel. Far away in the pretty village of Malborough in South Devon is Cottage, a peaceful, cosy getaway with lush gardens and swifts scudding overhead.
At the mouth of the Kingsbridge estuary lies stunning Salcombe. With its sheltered harbour and waterfront, the town has a successful history as a boat, shipbuilding and sailing port. The estuary itself is not only part of the South Devon area of outstanding natural beauty, it's a site of special scientific interest too, as well as a nature reserve.
It's also a place for joyful holiday vibes, full of scenic inspiration with calls aplenty towards ocean freedom. To the west of Salcombe is the utterly delightful little coastal village of Cove.
It has two pretty sandy beaches, Mouthwell Sands and Harbour Beach, separated by the headland Bolt Tail, and lies on the southwest coast path. The village has a long history of smuggling, and there was once a Spanish Armada shipwreck here.
Why not have a delicious breakfast at the welcoming Cove bar? Take a cliff-top walk as far as you like, admiring the breathtaking views, then hire a paddleboard or kayak and set off to sea.
A short trip from Salcombe is picturesque South Sands Beach, a place we visited several times during our stay. To get here, you can take the South Sands tractor ferry from Whitestrand in Salcombe, or perhaps you could treat yourself to stay at one of the beachside hotels.
South Beach is perfect for a gentle day of relaxing, peeking into rock pools and running in and out of the quite bracing water. There's a fabulous beach cafe too, called Beau's. Did you know seaweed could save the world? If you'd like to learn more, check out the link below. There's a freedom on the shoreline. Do you feel it? Quickly revitalized, it's easy to reconnect with dreams here, to let them breathe out and upwards like a kite flying skywards on a string. Anything is possible once more. I want to stand by the river in my finest dress, I want to sing strong and hard and stomp my feet with 100 others so that the waters hum with our happiness. I want to dance for the renewal of the world.
We hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
All you have to do is click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. It's totally free. Thank you.